Ever wondered how to craft delicate sugar flowers that can take your baking to the next level? Sugar flowers add an elegant touch, transforming your creations into edible works of art. We're about to delve into 7 practical tips to perfect this intricate decoration. Stay tuned to uncover the art of sugar flower creation. First things first, choosing the right sugar paste is crucial. Opt for quality over price. Brands like Satin Ice, Renshaw, or Squire's Kitchen are known for their superior consistency and workability. Remember, a good start is half the battle won. Next, let's dive into the world of colors. Coloring your sugar paste effectively is key. Consider gel-based colors for a vibrant finish. They blend smoothly, creating hues as delicate or bold as your imagination allows. With the right color, your flowers will come alive. Now, it's time to shape your petals. Using a ball tool, gently thin the edges to give a natural curl. For a lifelike touch, roll the petals around a paintbrush handle to form a slight bend. With patience and practice, you'll be shaping petals like a pro. Moving on, let's put it all together. Assembling the petals is like a dance, where balance and symmetry lead. Each petal has its place, its moment to shine. Carefully align and attach, letting your creation unfold. Assembling is where your flower truly starts to bloom. Once assembled, it's drying time. Let your sugar flowers air dry naturally, away from sunlight and moisture. Store them in airtight containers, lined with foam or tissue paper to avoid damage. Proper drying and storage ensure your flowers keep their shape and shine. Almost there. Let's add some finishing touches. Dusting your sugar flowers with edible glitter can add a delightful shimmer. Or try hand-painting delicate details for an exquisite, lifelike touch. Finishing touches can make your flowers look extra special. Lastly, remember, practice makes perfect. Nurture your creativity by experimenting with various shapes and colors. Embrace the process, as each trial brings you closer to perfection. The more you practice, the more stunning your sugar flowers will become. And there you have it, 7 tips to help you craft delicate sugar flowers. From choosing the right paste, adding color, to perfecting the shape, assembly, storage, final touches, and most importantly, practicing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content. Happy baking!